Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need an iPhone with a true depth camera and iOS 13 or later. Once confirmed, open Messages and select a conversation. Tap the app drawer below the text field and then the Memoji monkey icon. That gets you into the animated face tools. Make sure your face is visible and well lit. The camera must detect you. This is the first actionable move. Reaching an emoji is the gateway to Memoji, so don't skip directly to creating until the monkey icon shows. Once you tap the Memoji icon, swipe right until you see the new Memoji Plus tile, tap it to start building. You'll move through panels for skin, hairstyle, and facial features. Take a moment on each because changes are immediate. Use the color and accessories sections for nuance. If you want accuracy, zoom your face into the frame and mirror details. Remember, small tweaks to brows or nose change expression tracking, so refine them while watching the preview. When you finish customizing, tap Done and the Memoji saves to your Animoji tray. Now you can select it to record messages or send sticker packs. To use it, pick the Memoji tile, press Record for live video, or tap to convert into sticker images. If the face doesn't track, make sure the true depth camera isn't covered. Once done, try toggling the front camera or restart the phone. If problems persist, update iOS. That usually resolves tracking glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.